Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix do not disturb keeps turning on in Moto G77. First of all, turn off schedule do not disturb. Open setting. Now in settings scroll down, click on sounds and vibration, scroll down, click on do not disturb, scroll down and click on schedule and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off schedule do not disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting. Now in settings scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting, open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix do not disturb keeps turning on in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.